So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your iPhone 10 or 10s or even the 10s Max. This is a dummy unit, but it's the same exact dimensions and everything. And I'm going to show you guys how to turn it into the iPhone 11 Pro. And if you have the iPhone 11, I'm also going to show you guys how to turn it into the iPhone 11 Pro, even though the iPhone 11 is technically Pro in my opinion. I ordered this on eBay. I will throw a link in the description. Yes, I know eBay. And it's amazing. I want to see how it's gonna look and how it's gonna work. I actually don't have no unboxing knife today, but it's all good. This is a simple unboxing, and this is it. That's all inside the package, and this is basically a camera module. That's right, we don't need no knife. Oh, it just pops right out. All right, so it comes with some wet wipes. That's important. And here's the camera module itself. So 11 Pro, you have 3 cameras on the rear. This is going to add that functionality on your iPhone 10. So instead of dual cameras, you're going to have all 3 camera lenses. I recommend doing this on the iPhone 10 Space Gray just because the entire module is black. If you do it on the white or gold iPhone, it's just not going to really work all that well. See, if I put it down there, it looks like the iPhone 11 Pro, but you know, in the silver one, it doesn't look just like this. It's white. In all honesty, it looks just like this, honestly. Alright, so let's take off all the stickers and everything. Okay, so it's very, very sticky adhesive. And then this is another sticker that you gotta pull off. But before you even do anything, you need to wipe it off with a microfiber cleaning cloth. You can use the one that comes inside the package if you want, but I always recommend a real microfiber cleaning cloth. And really just try to focus on the camera lens. Honestly, this is just a flex statement, just to say that you have all 3 camera lenses. I saw this, like, it was a meme going around, and I decided to buy it, make a video. You just take the camera module of the iPhone 11 Pro. So very, very close. All you gotta do, just put it on the camera lens. And I don't know if it's straight. It gotta probably be straight. Kind of looks big, like it definitely protrudes a bit, and there's another protective layer here. Wow. Okay, you got yourself an iPhone 11 Pro. Now this is a fake camera lens. If I launch up the camera, it works just fine. And honestly, it's just something to protect the lens too, because it's the clear glass going through it. And like I said, it does work on the Pro Maxes and the iPhone 10s and 10. Alright, so this is where the flash is going to be. I'm pretty sure you could fool some people if you have this module. The iPhone 11 Pro Max module is a lot bigger. Definitely. And matter of fact, just to throw a cherry on top, there's an app that I download to get portrait on your older devices. So this is an app here called Night Camera V3. This is just a free app. It does have ads, but it's going to enable night mode on your older iPhone. Let me lower down the brightness. It's a little. So I just downloaded an app called Neutral Cam. Definitely worth the $5, comparable to the iPhone 11 Pro. These pictures are just fantastic. Definitely on par with Nightmode. It's way better than the app that I just showed you guys here. So download this app, the $5 app instead of the free one. It's definitely worth the money. And yeah, it's even better because you can use the ultra wide angle lens camera on the iPhone 11 Pro Max and have that night mode using this app. But in terms of the module, this is the module that I ordered on eBay. It doesn't look the greatest, but it kind of looks very, very similar to an iPhone 11 Pro Max. I mean, the camera modules are way bigger, but you could probably fool some people off. Now, I know there's certain features that you just can't get on your older device, such as the battery improvement, which you can improve the battery of your older iPhone by replacing the battery and turning off some settings. But when it comes down to speed and when it comes down to the material of the iPhone 11, the frosted glass or moving the Apple logo to the middle, to the center, you're just not gonna get that on your older iPhone. I'm always making these kind of videos. I did it with the iPhone 7 with the matte black. I did it with the iPhone 10, and I'm doing it again with the iPhone 11 Pro. This is nothing new. I always like to turn my older devices into the new devices. Alright guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on so you guys be notified when I upload. And other than that, it's your boy Pops. I'll catch you guys on my next video.